Good afternoon, children. Today, yesterday I started one new lesson for you. That is second lesson, family. So yesterday I finished page number 20, 19 and 19 and 20. So today, yesterday already I have done from page number 20 I have done relationship of the persons given in the family tree. This is what I am taking today. Yesterday already I have done on the board, but it was not so clear. So once again let me write on the board. So all of you be ready to attend this class. So once again I clearly look down and how the heading is write the relationship of the persons given in the family tree. So today is the day 2. Write the relationship of the persons given in the family tree. So now you can tell you once again. This is the family tree. Not actually it is not tree. It is given in the writing. So you can see the 4 generations here. First generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation. And you can see the first how the generations are given here. And he is the Manu here, like you, and he is related to all the members. How he is related to all members? Let us see. That is given in the chart. How he relates to other persons in the family. So that we are going to write down. And how you are related to your family members, you know that. Understood? The same way, how Manu is related to his family members. Let us write in the chart here. So I am once again I write question here. Let me write here decide name of the persons and the relationship. Relationship means sambandha. Understood? Now, name decide, relationship. And now write God writing. First, who is first? Priya. Priya. How she relates? She is the already you know that she is the elder sister. She is the elder sister. Daughter. Your home also will be having elder sister, younger sister. The same way, Priya is the elder sister to Manu. Understood? Daughter. See, you can see her. Priya and Manu. She is the elder sister for Manu. So next, Priya is elder sister. Next, Rakshit and Radha. Rakshit and Radha. How they are related to Manu is that they are parents, father and mother. Parents means father and mother. Understood? Now next, third, Prema. Prema. And Prema is here. She is the father's sister. So for you, father's sister is what is the relationship between you and your father's sister? She is the mother-in-law. So she is mother-in-law. Mother-in-law, mother-in-law. So you are going to write that this way. Mother-in-law means Atte what? Next for Ramappa and Bhagyamma. Ramappa, Bhagyamma. 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 Both are their great grandparents. Great grandparents. Very grandparents are very grandparents are great grandparents. The Anjalappa is great grandparents are grandfather and grandmother. Ramappa is the great grandfather. Bhagyamma is the great grandmother. Understood? Now fifth one. Ravi and Nirutha. Ravi, Nirutha. Nirutha. How they are related? Ravi and Nirutha, they are the half year in second generation. So, in second generation, they are the grandparents. Ravi and Nirutha are the grandparents for Manu. Grandparents. So you must know your family relationship also, so that you must know them. With Ravi and Nirutha are the grandparents only. Just the father's father and mother. Pallavi, sixth, Pallavi. How she is related to Manu is Pallavi. Where she is? She is also related to them only. So she is like Prema. She is also mother-in-law. Pallavi is also mother-in-law for Manu. How Prema is mother-in-law. The same way, Pallavi is also mother-in-law for Manu. Mother-in-law. Mother-in-law for Manu. Next, seventh one. Seventh, Sharan and Suma. Sharan, Suma. How they are related to Manu is Sharan and Suma again. Suma is also mother-in-law and father-in-law. These both are mother-in-law, they have to mama. Mother-in-law, father-in-law, atte mama. Understood? Father's sister and father's sister's husband. Father's sister and father's sister and sister's husband. So mother-in-law and father-in-law. Sharan and Suma are the mother-in-law and father-in-law for Manu. Understood? Mother-in-law, father-in-law. Sharan and Suma. Raju and Ramya. Ramya, R-A-M-Y. How they are related means they are grandparents. They are also grandparents like Ravi and Nirutha. Ravi and Nirutha are the grandparents. The same way, Raju and Ramya are also they are the grandparents. So if suppose if you are living in a joint family, you will come to know how this all relationship and all. But you are living in a nuclear family, means small family, so you cannot understand how your relations, how you are related to each other. You cannot understand. Understood? Now here, ninth, Kiran, Kirtana, Kiran and Kirtana. They are brother-in-law. They are brother and sister. Cousin brother, cousin sister. Cousin, C-O-U-S-N, cousin brother, cousin sister. Cousin sister. Understood? So for Manu, Kiran is cousin brother, Kirtana is cousin sister. For Manu. Understood? Lastly, you can see last Kiran and Kirtana. They are the cousins for Manu. Understood? Cousin brother, cousin sister for Manu. So in this way, these all members are related to whom? For Manu. Understood? Manu is related to all the members, but still last one was not clear. So let me write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here, 7, 8, 9. This way they are related to each other. Getting down. Now you can see it clearly. Now I think this is clear for you. So yesterday's this one was not clear. So today it is clear for you to write it. But you must be attentive for this. Then next page number 21. Here is also one signs. Signs are given here. Sign and the relationship is given. Look, page number 21. Page number 21, right? This is for page number 20. Page number 20. This is page 20. Now page number 21. Page number 21. 21 here. Now right here. Right, while drawing the family tree, look at the symbols given below and the name the relationship. Look at that is first question. This second. Look at the symbols given. Look at the symbols given below. Name the relationship. Name the relationship. Name the relationship. Here. Now let us write this one. Look at the symbols and given below. Name the relationship. First, here again. Sign is given. Relationship is given. Relationship. Now let us draw one by one, and you can understand that. First one, like this it is. First one, round circle, and this is square. So these are the wife and husband. Wife and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me draw small answer so that you can all first one. First this. Second one. This is wife and husband. Wife or husband. Ganda and Rati. This is wife. This is a sign for husband. Next, second one. Next, again it is like this. Line is going so round here. Then again square. This way. Here, this one, second one. These are daughter and son. Daughter, she is the daughter. This way, daughter sign and son sign. Wife or husband. Wife or husband here. The same as second one. She is female means is also female. So let us write here daughter, daughter the Magalu and male. So he is the son. So here daughter, son. Daughter, son. Not SUL, son. Magalu ಮತ್ತು ಮಗ. Understood? So if this arrow mark is there, these are the daughter and the son. Understood? Now next third one. How it is like this way. It is the drawing is like this. And this is like this way. Here it is like this. So this shows that mother and daughter both are females. So here this is male or female. The same way female. This is nothing but mother. This is mother, daughter. Understood? Tayi mother. Mother and daughter. Mother, daughter. Mother, daughter. Understood? Next, which is fourth one. The fourth I can show you. Fourth I can show. Fourth like this way. It is already answer is given. I think you need not to draw this one. Fourth one. Only fifth I draw. Fifth because 4 and 6 given answer. 4 and 6 are given. So only draw. Fifth one I draw. So see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is given, 6 is given. Only 5 I draw. Which square boxes? This way. This picture is one. So it shows that they are both are male. Both are male means they must be exactly brothers, two brothers. That is, one is elder brother, and younger brother. Elder brother, younger brother. Understood? So this is mother, daughter, and elder brother, elder sister. Elder brother, younger brother, understood? So these are the few signs given here. 4 and 6 you can draw yourself and you can write it. So this is from page number what 21. This these all signs you can. Again, let us continue this one from now. Page number 22. Let me run this one and rub this again to show. Next. I think till then you can write any of it is. Let me tell you. Page number. Look, page number 21, 22 here. 22. Can say you have been introduced to my family. Now you draw your family tree. So what Manu is telling is he has came to page number 22. Already he has shown his family tree. This is the thing that this is the family tree. He has shown all of our generations here. Understood? So all of four generations he has shown with the help of not tree, with the help of chart he has shown. Understood? In Kannada it is called Vamshavali, what we call. So he has shown all his generations. Now you have been introduced to my family. Now you draw your family tree. So what is saying? Already you are knowing his family tree. Now you draw your family tree and show the generations how they are. If you are not knowing, you can ask your father or grandfather about the generations. If you are not knowing, you can ask your home. They will tell you. And next, so on these questions are given here. So this is your work to write your generations from. Understood? From. So how here you must start like this only. Your great grandparents, parents, and you will last. Understood? If you are not knowing your great grandparents, leave them. At least grandparents, mother, and yours. At least 3 generations you must show here. Understood? With the help of family tree or only by chart you can show. Now here questions are given here. Very simple questions for you. Compare your family tree with mine and answer the questions that are given here. Compare your family tree with mine and answer the questions that are given. Mine means compare your family tree with Manu's family tree and answer these questions. How many generations are there in my family? How many generations are there in my family? You all know that in this Manu's family, how many are there? 3 generations, 4 generations are there in Manu's family. Now, how many generations are there in your family? In all your family, how many generations are there? You are going to write. Understood? So, it may be 2 generations, 3 generations, 4 generations. According to how much you know, that much you must write. Understood? Everyone's answer should be separated because everyone is having your own family with different generations. Then next, third question. Which is the bigger family of 2 families? Among yours and your Manu's family, whose family is bigger, you can write here. Understood? So write it your own because your answers are different from others. Now here, look page number 23 here. Features of the family. So if you are attentive and looking towards the book, you can understand what I am telling. So features of the family. So look here chart, page number 23. There are 2 generations. So what is given here? 5 points are given in this way. 5 points are given here. Putting the serial numbers, and you must write a mark or no mark. That will show whether you comes under nuclear family or this joint family. In families, 2 types of families are there. Already learned in 2nd standard. It is small family and big family. Understood? If you are only few members are there in the family, it is called small family. If more members are there, it is called as a large family. The same way here, this joint family and a nuclear family. This nuclear family means small family. Joint family means big family. Understood? I'll show the picture also. How is the joint family? Look, page number 24 here. See how many members are there. You can count them. how many elder peoples are there? Elder peoples, children are there. Understood? So you can see many generations are there. So 2 to 3 generations are there living there, and you can understand. The same way, you must write here. There are, so if suppose yours is big family or it is joint family or nuclear family, you must try to write here. So you are supposed to put right mark here, yes or no. So there are 2 generations in my family. So if it is yes, all the 5 are yes means you will come to know what is that. All the points are no means you will come to know what is that. Then now look here. There are 2 generations in my family. So if you put yes mark, I'll tell you. If you put right mark, what will happen? And we all are related. So next, the elders in the house are father and mother, and the size of the family is small. All the children of the family are unmarried. So if you put right mark in first column, all the majority of you. So suppose you put right mark from all the first column, it is means you come under nuclear family. Why means because only 2 generations means your father mother 1 generation and yours is 2nd generation. That is 2 generation means you must put a right mark. If you all are related, all will be related with your father. The elders in the house are father and mother. And who are the elders? Your father and mother are the elders. And the size of family is always small, nuclear family. All the children of the family are unmarried. And how is that? You are when you are small means how will be married? So all will be unmarried. Unmarried atra yaru madve agirangiಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ unmarried atra. So suppose if your family is small, so these all points will be yes. So only 2 generations, all are related. Only father and mother is elders. The size of family is small, always small, and no one will be married except for your father. So your family will be nuclear family, that is small family. Suppose you are if you put wrong mark for all the columns, will be should be joint family, because there are 2 generations in my family. No, because if you are putting wrong mark means there are more generations in your family. If you are having more generation, you are supposed to put wrong mark. All are related, yes, right related. Elders in the house are father and mother, not. Because your great grandparents will be there if you are in the joint family. Size of family is small, your family will be big. All will be unmarried. So many will be married. This way, so if you put wrong mark, it is you come under big family, that is joint family will come. So with the help of the above features, we come to know that my family is a dash family. Bonus family is always it is joint family. So now here, page number 24, you can see here how is the joint family here. Look page number 24 here. This is the joint family. Now I will introduce my friends' families to you. Let us see my friend's family. His family is a joint family. So this is a joint family. We call it a joint family. It is the Manu's friend's family. So you have seen my friend's family. Write your opinion about this family. So you are going to write the opinions about his friend's family. You are going to write here. So this is about they have asked. So write the similarities and differences you will notice so far among my, your, and my friends' families. So we have learnt about his Monu's families, your families, and friends' families also. You have learnt. Understood? Mother's family learned, your family you are doing. This is friend's family. So you learned three families about the family. Now you are going to write what are the similarities you see there, what differences you come to know there. Understood? So you are going to write what are the similarities with same things, what are the differences you see there. Understood? So similarities means, let me continue this one tomorrow again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So tomorrow again, still 2 more days I require for this to complete it. So by Saturday it will be completed. So tomorrow I continue the remaining only. Today I given you only 20, 21, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 is now completed. So tomorrow I continue page number 25. So till then you can write this one. And today's homework is already this one you write and this also you try to write. And if you are writing these all things again, you will be perfect in further things. Understood? So these are very important for you. You can continue this one and write it neatly, draw neatly and write neatly. So this is the homework for you. Understood? Thank you.